Hello there, it's Lucas. I'm from Canada. It has been a long time. We have been friends over 5 years and the cooperation was always amazing. I looked at the new design of the product and I really like it. I can't wait to see it. Meanwhile, I hope the new design will help us explore the market. Make sure to take a look at our website, Oubao, to learn more about the product.
Hi there, here's Viviana, opening a company in Palestine. Why I chose Oubao? Because Oubao always can provide newest and high quality faucet to us. We have worked together for 8 years, constantly witnessing the innovation and technological improvement of Oubao Faucet, which has given a good improvement to my brand in Palestine.
Hi, I'm Ryan from America. We met Oubao at an international exhibition and have been cooperating for 3 years now. Our team recognise Oubao's product quality and unique designs. The new order is approaching and I can't wait to see that. I'm sure there will be good market feedback as always. Thanks. Bye-bye.